All right, hi. This is I'm Lucio Diazio at the Microchip booth, and I want to show you today some of the new 8-bit tools that we are making available to all the PIC customers, and as you will see soon, also some new tools for AVR customers. So what you will see here on the screen behind me, there is a rapid development tool that we call Microchip MPLAB Code Configurator. This is a tool that is installed as a plugin on top of the traditional desktop or the cloud version of our integrated development environment. And it helps you to configure the peripherals and create quickly the skeleton of an application, saving you possibly hours, if not days, of time researching on data sheets and finding out details and quickly creating for you source code for your application. And so giving you basically more time to develop to spend your time on the actual development, the intelligent part, the secret sauce of your application if you want, instead of the boilerplate that can be provided automatically for you. So it's a graphical user interface, as you can see on the screen next to me, and it allows you to literally discover the peripherals that are inside a chosen microcontroller. Once you discover them, you can actually pick them up and make them part of your application. And once they are part of your application, you get to configure them graphically on screen, literally changing the functionality. Visually, you see immediately the results on the screen. And connecting together the peripherals inside the device to produce your particular configuration, whatever your particular project requires. Once you're satisfied with the configuration of the various peripherals inside the device, all you have to do is to press the Generate button, and the tool will quickly produce for you all the drivers required, and will immediately apply those to the project. So you will find in your project little files dedicated one per peripheral containing all the complex setup that you required, and something that required for me only a couple of clicks here could have saved you already a significant amount of time. So now you're free to go in your project and start adding your source files and start typing what is in fact your application, and in a few seconds you will be able to actually build your application and download it onto one of our evaluation boards, for example, and see your code running right away. So that was as fast as I could describe to you the benefits of the Code Configurator, MPLAB Code Configurator. And now on to the other side of the same booth, where we will see how the same is possible now with the AVR. Follow me, please. So here we have instead the station, where we see a mix of demos of both PIC and AVR on the same wedge here, on the same red wedge. And you will see side by side some PIC applications, a power supply, an IoT sensor, and some AVR applications side by side. And here we have Bob, who's going to be introducing you now to the brand new tool that we call Start for the AVR.
Great, thank you. All right, thank you. All right, so again, I'm Bob Martin. I'm a senior staff engineer with Microchip. Came originally from Atmel, but now of Microchip since April 4th of this year. And I'm going to bring up a new configuration tool for the Atmel microcontrollers, very similar to what Lucio had mentioned about MCC and the combination in with MPLAB Express. All right, so if you just give me a second, let me bring that up, please.